are here at Boulevard Maria.
Ma, barbecue. Come here.
Street food.
Order barbecue para na ko.
Yeah.
Ma'am, kami ako.
Dali. Low tide. Hi. Look what's in here. Ano na? Paklay?
Bas o iba.
Ah, baskoy.
Excuse me, sir. Kapaluto mo diyan ina. Halang ni sir.
Let's
Halang.
interesting chicken. Yeah. Ano may mo, be? Oh.
Order barbecue, ma.
Barbecue. Halo na siya. Fire burning. This is firewood, guys. This is what they use. They also have a French fries here.
Kani lang ba?
Yeah.
Dahil po yan yan iya.
Street food. Today is Saturday, so there's more people. Let's explore there. Hey, you see? Fire! That's really hot. I don't know what they have here. Ay, balbakwa. Kasi ay, pansit. Dami. Sige, luto ni mo dong. Meat na. Until there.